Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm Zach here. Hope you guys been doing great. Today I'm very excited to unbox this ROG Rapture GT-AX11000 with you guys. It's a very new. I actually bought this, to actually enhance the Wi-Fi strength and the Wi-Fi speed of at my house. In fact, recently, if you actually watch all my videos, right, I actually purchased the Tab S7 Plus, the S21 Ultra, which both device is already Wi-Fi 6 compatible. So that's why I wanted to get this router to upgrade the Wi-Fi signal and also the the Wi-Fi speed as well. Okay, so as you can see for the start, okay, so this is the front of the box. Okay, so here's the name of the router is ROG Rapture GT-AX11000. It's also iMesh compatible, meaning to say I can use this as a main router or as an iMesh node, which is act as a wireless the wireless router, wireless enhancement. Okay, so basically a few new features, okay, as you can see. Okay, so one is they actually, I believe they actually enhance their the CPU. It's actually a 1.8 gigahertz core CPU now. Okay, it has a game accelerator function, a 2.4 gigahertz gaming port, okay, and this easy port forwarding features and customizable key, and of course the feature that we all gamers love, of course, RGB, guys. Alright, who doesn't love RGB? I'm a crazy fan of RGB. Okay, so without further ado, let me open up the box for you guys. Okay, so oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay, so right out of the box, okay, so this is some documentations, okay, which I shouldn't go in detail. Okay, you guys can have a look. Okay, right, so you can pause the video, all right, if you guys want to read it. Okay, so this is the router itself. Okay, I'll put the router aside first, guys. Okay, alright, so I'll open up the accessories box. Okay, so here they actually come with different plugs, okay, which is very good. Okay, I'll show you guys. Okay, so they have this plug. Okay, alright, and they have this plug, right, and they have this plug. Okay, so out of the box they give you 3 types of plug, which is, I think, very good at whichever country you are, you can use it. Okay, and of course the old school charging brick. All right, okay, so let me put it aside. Okay, and of course the Ethernet cable. All right, so this is a very good thing to include there. Okay, so after that, here's nothing else already, so nothing much from this box. Okay, so here are all the the spider legs. Okay, they have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so all these 8 legs, right, or sticks, or you guys could want to call it, you can actually put it at the router there. Okay, later I'll show you. Okay, so with all that aside, hey guys, so here's the main star for today. Okay, so let me just take out the box. Okay, so guys, here is the router itself. Alright, so I haven't peeled it off. Okay, so here's the side. Okay, so here is where we can put all your router legs here. Okay, you need to just screw in here. Okay, right, so here are all some of the LEDs or lightings that you'll see after you power on. Okay, right, so here is the other one. Okay, so I'll go through a bit, a bit of the back side of this router. Okay, so here is basically the power button. Okay, here is the power where the power bridge will go into. Okay, these are USB 3. Okay, I believe this one is to connect your NAS. Okay, alright, so here is the 2.5 gigahertz gaming port. Okay, so it's an Ethernet port and it's a LAN cable port. Okay, and here's the reset button. Okay, here's the reset button. Okay, so I believe they actually mentioned to you, if there's nothing wrong, please don't go and do the reset. Okay, you messed up the whole thing. Okay, so overall, I feel the whole thing really looks like the one that I have, the ROG AC5003. It's just that this is Wi-Fi 6 compatible, and of course this has a better CPU lah, I would say, and of course this is RGB enabled. Okay, so other than that, I don't see any difference in terms of the build quality we didn't compare this to the this the AC5300 series. But guys, if you guys want me to do the speed test, okay, do remember to subscribe to my channel. All right, every subscription is actually helps me a lot, and it means a lot to me. I will continue, I mean, for this part of this router, this unboxing video, I will probably do a follow-up video, to compare the speed between the AC5300 and this AX11000. All right, so just so you guys have a have a idea of whether should you guys really go and upgrade to the Wi-Fi 6. I mean, of course, depending on whether you guys have the Wi-Fi 6 device. I will do a comparison with and without the Wi-Fi 6 device to see whether is it a worthy upgrade or not. Okay, so alright, that's all for today, guys. It's a very quick unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing video. As usual, if you like my content, do consider to subscribe to my channel. I will post I mean, a lot of this tech unboxing and review content for you guys. And also I do game, so I also have my gaming video there as well. Alright, so I hope you guys stay safe. Okay, till then, peace out and have a nice day, guys. Bye.